Hello student, in last lecture we learned nested list and multi-level list. Examples on nested list and multi-level list. Today we are going to learn insertion of audio and video in HTML5. You all are aware of the web pages. You have seen different types of websites, okay, and you are searching over the Google search engine. At that time, when you search for any type of document or anything that you want, you will get the result in the form of hyperlinks, okay. And when you click on that hyperlink, you are able to see the content of the web page. Now, when you see that content on a web page, at that time you can see the web content having text information, hyperlinks, images, audio and video. Okay. Now, we have to see how these audios and videos are inserted on a web page. Okay. So, see the first, inserting audio and video in HTML5. HTML5 new specifications enables user to have a far more control over audio on web pages. HTML5 features include native audio and video support without the need for Flash. HTML5 includes special elements allowing to include video and audio and to define controls. Okay. Now, see common audio formats. First format MP3 and audio format from MPEG. Now, MPEG stands for Moving or Motion Pictures Expert Group. Now, see this MP3 is the most popular format of web document. Most of the audios are of MP3 format. Okay. Then second, AAC, Advanced Audio Coding, standard format on iPhone, YouTube, etc. Third format, OGG, an open container and free audio format. Then see the audio tag. The audio element enables you to embed audio files on web pages. It declares the audio tag and specify the source attribute with the audio file location. Now, see the syntax of audio tag. See here, audio src equal to sample.mp3, type equal to audio/mpeg, and then controls, end of audio. So, here this src means a source. It takes the URL, and URL is nothing but the audio or music which we want on a web page. Okay. So, that will be provided. Here you can directly provide the name or the path of this URL. If this program is saved to the same location where your music is appear, then you will directly provide the name. Otherwise, here we have to provide the location of that URL. Okay. Now, see attributes of audio tag. There are certain attributes of audio tag. Among that, first one, autoplay. First attribute is autoplay. The audio will start playing as soon as it is ready. Means when user will open the web browser, at the same time that audio will start playing the music. Okay. Second, controls. The audio control should be displayed, means it having play, pause button that will be displayed by the help of this controls attribute. The next attribute loop, it having a value. Now see, this loop will play the audio number of time to a web page. Now this will take a numeric value. For example, if we are taking loop equal to 3, then the audio will be played 3 times and after that it will get finished. Okay. Then see, next attribute muted. This specifies that the audio output should be muted. And last attribute of audio tag src, it will take the URL. It specifies the URL of the audio file. Okay. Now see example on audio tag. Doc type HTML, then HTML tag, body tag, paragraph tag, sample audio /p. Okay. Then you will see audio tag, it contains src attribute. Then here this is the audio file which we want on a web page or which we want to listen while this page is get open on a web browser. Okay. Then see type equal to audio /mp3. Then autoplay attribute which will play the song as soon as it loads on a web browser. Okay. And controls, this controls is used for stop or play the audio on web page. Okay. Then end of audio, end of body, end of HTML. Now save this program and see the output. Okay. Now here we are not directly seeing the output, we are coming to the next topic, adding audio with multiple sources. Now see what is meant by multiple sources. Multiple sources of audios are specified so that if the browser is unable to play the first source, then it will automatically jump to the second source. Now see what is the use of multiple sources. The source tag is used to specify multiple media resources for media elements. Now see, this source tag is used for multiple sources. Here what happen when we are loading the web browser, at that time some of the browsers are not supporting to some of the tag or some of the formats of the audio files. For example, MP3 is not supported, then we can listen OGG, or if it may not be supported, then we can listen AAC. Okay. For that, here this source tag is used. So see the example of source tag: doc type HTML, HTML tag, body tag, paragraph tag, sample audio, end of paragraph tag, audio tag, controls, then autoplay, and here you can see the source tag. It will take src equal to test.mp3, type equal to audio /mp3, one more type source equal to src, test.ogg, type equal to audio /ogg, end of audio, end of body, and end of HTML. Now see, here there are two types, audio by mp3 and audio /ogg, and name of these both the files are test.mp3 and test.ogg. Both are named as test, but if the user runs the browser and that browser will not support to test.mp3, then it automatically supports to test.ogg. In this way, this source tag is used for supporting the multiple type of audios on a web page. Okay. So here we stop.